we're starting tonight with the Alex-Murdaugh double murder trial as both sides have now rested their case.
And we have team coverage in Colleton County, starting with our own Sam Perez, who's been in the courtroom following today's proceedings. Sam, what happened today?
Yes, J.R. Darcy. The witness testimony today was both technical and emotional. Proceedings moved pretty quickly as 6 different witnesses took the stand to directly address the different witness testimony provided by the defense. Dr. Ellen Reamer spent much of the morning on the stand. She's a forensic pathologist who performed the autopsy on Maggie and Paul. Reamer testified she stands by her original conclusion that Paul was shot in the head from about 3 feet away. She says it was not a contact wound like the defense's expert witnesses testified to on Monday. Paul McManigal, a digital forensic examiner, testified about how Maggie's phone screen would not have necessarily lit up if it was thrown out of a car window, but the defense questioned his expertise. Former Hampton County Sheriff Thomas Smalls told jurors he never gave Alex-Murdaugh permission to put blue lights in his personal car while he worked for the solicitor's office, even though that's what Murdaugh said when he took the stand. Testimony got a little more emotional and a bit fiery when Murdaugh's former law partner and friend Ronnie Crosby took the stand. Defense attorney Dick Harpootlian implied Crosby was blinded by anger, so his testimony might not be entirely truthful.
And if you're implying that I would come in here and somehow shade truth in any way because of that, I would take high offense with that, Mr. Harpootlian.
I'm concerned about your high offense. Are you angry at him for stealing your money?
I have had anger with him, extreme anger, Mr. Harpootlian, because of what he did to my law firm, my partners, my client, his clients, our clients, what he did to his family, what he's did to so many people. Yes, I experienced a lot of anger. But you can't walk around with anger. You have to find a way to deal with it and move forward. And I have done that. And if you suggest, you are dead wrong if you think I've come in here and told this jury something because of money. When we're talking about 2 people who were brutally murdered, then you're headed in the wrong direction.
Both Crosby and Mark Ball, another of Murdaugh's former law partners, testified it would have been common for Paul to take a gun while out riding around hunting property, no matter the time of day, and reiterated that the defendant lied to them for years. Now, this afternoon, Kenny Kenzie, an investigator, took the stand. He testified about the defense's 2-shooter theory. Reporting live in Walterboro, Sam Perez, News 19 WLTX.
Well, after the state rested their case today, we learned that the jury's trip to Moselle, that's the Murdaugh property where the crimes took place, is taking place tomorrow morning beginning at 9:30. You may remember prosecutors objected to this visit, saying the property has changed drastically since the night of the murders because no one currently lives there and no one is maintaining the property. Now, lawyers will join the jury on that visit tomorrow. The media will not be allowed to be on the property for the actual jury visit, and no drones will be allowed to fly over the property while the jury is there.
Well,